Hello there. In this video, you'll be learning how to hide phone number in Telegram. But just before we head straight into the video, if you're new to this channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our recent uploads. And most importantly, do not forget to give us the thumbs up if you find this video helpful. And we can go now into it. So this is how to hide number in Telegram. You want to go straight into the Telegram app, and on the interface you want to locate the hamburger icon in the top left corner, and you want to click on that, and you want to straight for settings, and you want to scroll down and click on privacy and security, and you can find a series of options here. So you want to navigate to where it says phone number. You can see the arrow pointing at it already. All right, and you can see phone number there, and here are the options. It says who can see my phone number. Everybody, you have the option of everybody. If you want everybody to see your phone number, you can just click that, and you have the option of my contact. And if you just want your contact alone to see your number, you can just check that. And if you want nobody to check to see your phone number, then you can just check that. So I'm going to check that right away, and voila. And it says nobody. It says who can find my number. That's a different thing entirely. You can also check if everybody could find your number. If you want, everybody should, all right, have access to finding your number. And if you want just your contact, you can also check that. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are only particular about how to hide your number. So hiding your number, you just click on nobody, and we have that. And don't forget to check the settings up there using the icon in the top right hand corner, and voila, your number has been hidden in Telegram. Let me know what you think about the video, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Bye for now. I look forward to seeing you all at once.